Hello guys, welcome back to a bit of everything channel. So today what I'm going to be doing is talking to you guys about a website that I came across called Noir Box. So that's the website is BUYNOIRBOX by Noir Box. And so essentially what it is for those who like playing games or like their technology, pretty much you spend $50 on their website and you pretty much get a mystery box. So within that mystery box, it could contain a mouse pad or a monitor, a new monitor, a gaming VR headset, anything pretty much within the technology range for games and stuff. So anyways, I was pretty excited to know what I could get, and so as I paid for one and I've got the package over here, I'm pretty interested to see what we get. Just like to disclaim though, unfortunately you cannot refund this due to its nature of it being of like a gamble. So you could get something really nice, you could get something not as well as you thought it would be. So anyways, I'm pretty excited. Let's see what we've got. Alright, they do delivery worldwide as well. As I can see, before I even show it to you guys, it isn't a box itself, it's just two things that have been placed in this package, and you get the package like this. Alright. Anyways, the first thing that I did get was a mouse pad. Wow, look at that. So this is an LED light mouse pad. It's not really branded. It does says Pro Gaming Series. I don't know if you see it on that side there. Pro Gaming Series, and this is what the mouse pad looks like. Here from where I'm from, mouse pads are pretty expensive. They can range from around $50 up to, well, I wouldn't have a clue, but I know $50 is the base minimum for a mouse pad. So already spending $50 and getting a mouse pad is amazing. Alright. And it's not a small mouse pad as well, it's a very big mouse pad that can fit your keyboard and mouse. Alright, I'll leave that there to the side. And the next one that I have is, it comes in another packaging, but it is, oh look at that, a smart light. The brand's Yeelights, and as we can see the box over here, we've got that, pictures and everything over there. Wow, look at this Yeelight over here. So Yeelight is a smart light that works with Google Home, Apple HomeKit and SmartThings as well. Very interesting. I know these lights go for around about $30 up to hundreds or so. So I got these two for that $150 package that I paid. Would I say it's worth it? To be honest, for the looks of these two things, they do look like it's really worth it anyways. Alright, I want to open the mat. Let's have a look here. And this is the mouse pad. As I can see if I roll it out, it is a really big mouse pad. And here we have on the side is a USB port that will light up the mouse pad itself. There we are. Not bad. The material is very nice, very smooth. And yeah, looks really good. I think that would fit my computer anyways if I was to press it like that. Alright. And with this cord over here, as you can see, this cord will be placed into there, and when you plug that USB connector into your computer, it will light up the corners of your mats over there. So if you're playing games in the dark, especially for you PC fans, you have a bit of lighting there as well. Alright, and just put this to the side and open up the lights. It's a very simple looking bulb anyways. It does have multi-colors on, and as I can see from the side, it has a timer as well when you use it, so it's pretty much a smart light. I screw it in from over there. It is activated by voice controller for those who use Google Home or any of the smart home kits. And yeah, I have one of these light bulbs. It is from LIFX. So yeah, I'll hopefully if I make another video to compare it, it would be good. Yeah, here is the unboxing of the two products that I got from Nuaibox. So we do have our mouse pad, just to say again, and a light bulb, a smart light. Anyways, would I think it's worth it? I think I've said in the previous, said before, yes, it is worth it for the price I paid. Anyways, this is just, I guess, the base standards of what you get. You know, I think there's other people who've commented on the website saying that they've gotten a console or bigger things than what I've got here. Anyways, guys, thank you for watching. Hopefully you guys would get onto it, learn something new. So here we have my mouse pad on my computer setup. As we can see, I've already plugged the cable onto the USB port, and I'm just going to plug this onto the side here. And now that's in. As we can see, we have lights that go around the edges. What I'll do is I'll turn off the lights so you can see the full effects of this mouse pad. Alright, so here we've got a nice bright red light, or orange it looks like on the camera, but we have 10 programmable settings. So every time I press the power button over here, the color changes on the outside. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. So the 10th one is pretty much just all the colors flashing. What I like to do is I like to make it so it matches, my mouse pad matches the color of the keyboard and mouse. So just from an aerial top point of view, you can see that the mouse pad matches with the light and my mouse as well. It's very nice. There's a lot of space for my keyboard and my mouse as well, and it looks very aesthetically pleasing. But yeah, this is generally it. It's very nice for the price that I paid for the mystery box. But yeah, this is it, guys. What do you guys think? Do you think this is worth it? In the comments below, and we'll see you in the next video. Alright, thanks guys, goodbye.